I am Matthew Haviland with the prompt team at Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore. If you've ever moved, you know it's a lot. Packing, sorting, organizing, donating, scheduling movers, changing utilities. It can feel like a full-time job. And for many of my clients, especially those who've been in their homes for decades, the hardest question is, where do I even start? And that's why I'm thrilled to introduce something I call the Moving Easy button. It's a service that brings all the help you need for a smooth, stress-free move, all under one roof. So what is the Moving Easy button? This partnership gives my clients access to a certified senior move manager, a professional who specializes in helping people of all ages, but especially seniors, with every detail of a move. What makes this truly special is that he and his team handle everything in-house. That means one trusted company takes care of sorting and decluttering, coordinating donations and item sales, professional packing, the moving truck and crew, unpacking, and complete home setup in your new space. Even hanging pictures, making the beds, and setting up electronics. You don't have to juggle multiple vendors, make dozens of phone calls, or supervise a small army of contractors. It's one call, one team, and one easy button. Let me share a story that perfectly captures what this service is all about. A few months ago, I was helping a client, we'll call him George, who was moving out of his home in Linwood after 38 years. He had recently lost his wife, and the thought of going through all of their belongings alone was just too much. George told me, Matt, I don't even know where to begin, and I can't imagine packing up a lifetime. And that's when I introduced him to our move manager. From the moment they met, George felt a sense of relief. The move manager came in, took the time to listen, and created a clear step-by-step plan. And he and his team carefully went room by room, helping George decide what to keep, what to give to family, and what could be donated to local charities. They packed everything professionally, labeled each box, and handled the move from start to finish with their own truck and moving crew. When George arrived at his new home in a 55-plus community, the experience was nothing short of amazing. His furniture was already in place, exactly as planned. Family photos were hanging on the walls, the kitchen was fully set up, the TV was connected, the coffee pot was plugged in, and the bed was made. George said to me, Matt, I feel like I just walked into my new life, and I didn't have to do a thing. And that's what the Moving Easy button is all about. It's not just moving help, it's a full service transition team that understands how emotional and how overwhelming this process can be. Now, what gives me complete confidence in recommending this service is that our move manager is a member of the National Association of Senior and Specially Move Managers. NASMM members follow a strict code of ethics, are fully insured, and complete specialized training in senior transitions, downsizing, and move coordination. They understand that moving isn't just physical, it's emotional. It's about memories, milestones, and sometimes letting go of the familiar. Working with a NASMM certified professional means you're partnering with someone who not only gets the job done, but does it with care, compassion, and integrity. While this service was created with seniors in mind, it's ideal for anyone who wants a stress-free move. Busy professionals relocating for work, families juggling careers and kids, seniors transitioning to a smaller home or assisted living, adult children that are helping parents move safely and efficiently. No matter your stage of life, if you want someone to handle the heavy lifting, both literally and emotionally, this service is for you. Now, here's what you gain when you press the Moving Easy button. You get peace of mind, knowing every detail is managed. It's a single point of contact from start to finish. Professional, insured movers who handle your belongings with care. A smoother, faster sale process because your home can be decluttered and staged quickly. And most importantly, freedom from overwhelm. So you can actually enjoy the excitement of your new chapter. So if you're thinking about moving or helping a loved one make a move, don't do it alone. Press the Moving Easy button by reaching out to me today. I'll connect you with our trusted local move manager who can take care of everything: planning, packing, moving, and setting up in your new home. You can visit promptagents.com/YouTube to learn more and schedule your free consultation. I'm Matthew Haviland with the Prompt team at Keller Williams Atlantic Shore, helping you achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate, and now helping make your next move truly easy. Looking for a great new construction living option just outside of Ocean City? You want to watch this video next.